This video is sponsored by Santa Cruz Software.
Soleil here for CreativePro. I'm coming to you from the great city of Las Vegas, Nevada, and here is a peek into the kind of things that I'm going to be showing at my session for the Design and Data Summit, which is happening online September 21st and 22nd. Now, my session is going to be about taking raw data and making it useful. Because a lot of times we will get data that looks like a report. It was meant for something else, but what we need is there. It's just not immediately available. So here we've got this data. We've got the items, which are tubes of paint. So we got red 3-ounce, and we've got data for the store, which is City Central. And then for Tulip, we've got the weekly sales from week 1 to week 7. Now, what we want to know, which colors and how many different colors do we have? We don't need all this sales data. All right, so I am going to make some room so that I can get at what I want to get at. Insert. Okay, slide this over. We got City Center, Fort Tulip. We don't need that even. We need this data. Here we go. I'm going to put this data into a table. Click in the data set, format as table, and let's grab this red. Okay, table does have headers. Scroll down, there's the data, go back up, get rid of the filter button, and then I'm going to go here. Equals text before. Grab that. Text, this text in this column, comma, text before what? Before the space hyphen space, which is what separates the color and the size. So double quotes, space, hyphen, space, double quote, enter. Those are all of the colors. Great. But we have duplicates. We've got red gold twice. We've got purple twice. Here's what I'm going to do. Unique. Open parentheses. Go to the end and close parentheses. Enter. And I am even going to do this. I am going to sort. Open parentheses, go to the end and close parentheses and enter. Look at that. Now we see, right, we've got one purple, but we've got red space gold, red hyphen gold. Okay, that's what's happening here. Watch this. Enter, and then fix this one. Put a hyphen in, enter. All right, now we've got one red gold. You saw that change. Now we want to know how many. I'm going to go up here. Equals count A, open parentheses. I'm going to go to this cell. That is the first cell in what we call a dynamic array. And I'm going to need the hashtag symbol so that we grab the whole dynamic array. Close parentheses and enter. We've got 9 colors. Let me slide that over and then count. Now, guess what? We got new data. Scroll down. Oh, look at that. I'm going to grab these. And because the data is in a table, the table is going to absorb. But let me stop right here before I bring it in. Scroll back up. We got 9 colors. All right. Scroll back down. Bring this in. Boom. Look at that. We've got 12 colors now. And what do we have new? We have Scarecrow Tan and Tangerine. Isn't that beautiful? Now we know that if we have to go get swatches of these colors, we know how many we need. We know the work that's ahead of us. And this was a brief peek at the kind of things that I'm going to show at what? The Design and Data Summit. Coming to you September 21st and 22nd. And if you like what I showed here, please, I look forward to seeing you in my session.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, CreativePro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.